Good evening, guys. Now, a relative invite us for dinner. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Tour, welcome.
Ayan, papagpakatukol kan Arlene. May niya ako po ang kunoon ini
Maybe on. Oh, beautiful. This is my relative Jelma, madam. Hello, madam.
Hello.
This is their house. Yes. Oh. Congratulations. Maura gyapon ni na mga guys. My sis.
The same
Also
face.
the same faces.
Beautiful faces.
And you are here.
Yeah.
Oh. And their kids. Oh. Ano tino din ini?
Plastic.
Ah, plastic. Ah.
Plastic.
Iboto si Betty.
Nagyan ko na. Dali kay. Wow.
Hello, Pai.
No. Hi.
Luna Inday.
Yes, I'm always in the group.
And you can see to your pupils, maybe they can see this vlog.
Oh,
And you,
and there is
maybe
my
you
mom
have,
Inday.
huh?
There is one mom Inday.
Hi. Hi. You can talk more.
Okay, I'm happy that my sister, I feel I'm loved. Yes, this time I feel I'm loved because you understand already my personality. Maybe, di ba?
And you can see to your, maybe to your students, maybe they can see this vlog and regards to them, something like that. All over the world.
Ano dyan vlog? Isa ba kasabot mo?
Vlog. So, ganyan ako yung vlog.
My sister Cecil is my sister Cecil is fan of doing this vlog, and I'm very innocent to this, but I am happy to know I might be seen by my students, by my friends all over the world, in other foreign countries.
Yeah.
My relatives, maybe.
You know, guys, she have students all over the world, OFW. So the girls from your teacher, Inday, Mana Inday. Oh.
Panuhok ako. Gusto ko ba
Ha? Ako bili to, anak. Yan ako obha.
Yan nakaubo kasi maligo sa dagat.
Yan ako obha. Ano pag uli ko, lagi ako obhon.
Yan ako makapanini kay Hanas Tony. Sapo na! Kusog na kayo! Dili sa ubusan ba? O pa? Kusog na. Anda ang taas. Tibali, di karali po namin tignaw.
O, gana, ini siya. Di man din palitan siya.
Sa